we would like to give a special thanks to Hasbro for giving us these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at My Little Pony Cutie Mark Crew for ages 4 and up. I have been patiently waiting for the Cutie Mark Crew ever since I saw them at Toy Fair earlier this year. Must have a Cutie Mark Crew. These are blind packs that might have a My Little Pony inside, a sea pony, or an Equestria girl. I think that is so cool. It's like everything that you love about My Little Pony in blind packs. I am a huge fan of Equestria girls, so I am really excited for this. Inside, we will find one character, a matching accessory, and the cases are stackable, so you can create a display for your Cutie Mark crew. Well, let's see who we have here today. I love blind packs, and there is a little perforated edge right here on the side to help you open it up. Now I'm going to remove this outside paperboard, and here it is. That's actually very easy to open. It's Derpy Hooves, or is that muffins? Derpy comes with a muffin, the tiniest little heart stand, and she just goes right on it, so you don't have to worry about it falling over. The case has a picture inside, and it looks like a little bakery in there. That's pretty cool. The pony fits inside of the muffin. The case opens, so you can get a better look at the inside, and you can place the pony in there for an easy display. Included with the blind pack, there is a collector's card. You can see a picture of the character, and it says some little fun stuff at the bottom. On the back, there is a list of other characters to collect, and it looks like there are 24 in all in Season 1. I am hoping for Equestria girls. They are my favorite. And this is that Pinkie Pie? It is Pinkie Pie. She craves only the sweetest snack with a cherry on top. That's cute because there's a little cherry there. And you can see a cute little shop in her display. 2 down, 6 more to go. I feel like this has a little less disposable packaging than most blind bags, and I think that's pretty cool. I hope this is not a double. I can see pink hair in there. And it's Pinkie Pie, but it does look different. It's Pinkie Pie as an Equestria girl. These are so cute. Love the big hair, love the bow, love the outfit. This is such a new look for My Little Pony characters, but I love it so much because it still captures a lot of their personalities. This is such a new look for My Little Pony, but I love it so much because it still captures all of their characteristics. She comes with a hamburger, and you can see a hamburger on the inside as well. Pinkie Pie loves to stack her snack with fun toppings. Now that we have one Equestria girl, can we get another? And this, it's Spike! Growing up, Spike was one of my favorite characters. He has a hot dog and another hot dog on the inside. It's not made of gems, but it's his favorite cafeteria snack. Under their picture, you can see their names printed, but when it comes to Derpy, you just have a picture of a muffin. And that's because I believe she was fan named. And these blind packs have reminded me that I really need to catch up on my Little Pony. Ooh, I think there's a princess in there. It's Princess Cadence and an ice cream cone. And look, she has glitter. That is so cool. It looks like she really likes ice cream. A princess so sweet delights in an ice cream treat. Lovin' the glitter. We have 3 more blind packs to go, and we've only gotten one Equestria girl. Hopefully, this is another one. I see popcorn and Rainbow Dash. Is it Equestria? Yes! It is an Equestria girl. How cute is she with her little bucket of popcorn? There's a cute little popcorn stand on the inside. It's a tried and true snack for a loyal friend. And now we have 2 Equestria girls. I'm feeling good about my collection. And so far, no doubles. I wonder which one this will be. Sea Pony? Equestria girl? Fluttershy! Gotta open the door. Gotta get out Fluttershy. There she is. And she's a sea pony. This is our first one. You can see her cute little tail. Fluttershy is just too adorable. And she comes with a little ice cream sandwich and an underwater scene inside the case. Wait, why would you have an ice cream sandwich underwater?
The ice cream sandwiches are sweeter undersea.
Oh, well, that would explain it. And we are down to our very last blind pack. And you already know what I am hoping for. Please be an Equestria girl. And it is Rarity, but which one? Yes! Yes. I can't believe my last one was another Equestria girl. Usually I do not have this good of luck with blind boxes. Seriously, do you remember the search for the rainbow unicorn? It was just sad. But I don't know, maybe things are turning around for me because I was feeling pretty lucky today. Rarity is wearing a cute little purple, blue, and dress. And check out those shoes. She has a cupcake and a cute little cafe scene on the inside. And this trendy treat matches her fabulous fashion. Each figure is about 2 inches tall, and you can expect to see them at most major retailers in fall of 2018. And I can't wait because I gotta finish my collection. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at My Little Pony Cutie Mark Crew. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.